salad which is healthy and nutritious. Let's start doing. Here I have banana, papaya, apple, kiwi, pomegranate, lemon juice and honey. Banana. It is rich in potassium and fiber. Potassium helps to reduce blood pressure and prevent kidney stones. Fiber. It is good for digestion. Papaya. It is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for eyes. Apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. It is good for heart. Kiwi. It is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to protect cells and keeping them healthy. It helps to maintain healthy skin and bones. Pomegranate. Pomegranate has antiviral properties and rich in several vitamins. Now I am adding 1 spoon of lemon juice. And 1 spoon of honey. Now mix together. The fruit salad